Example number 5. Simplify. So we already did 20 before. Now we do letter and number together. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. And x to the 10 we have x, 10 of them. Then we look at the index. The index is 2, so we're looking for 2 number or 2 letter the same. So we have 2, we have 2 of the x, we have more 2 of the x, we have more 2 of the x, we have more 2 of the x, and we have more 2 of the x. Then we will combine all of the one that we highlight. So 2 times 2 is 4, and x to the 10 will be in one group, and 5 will be in the other group. Now we will break 20x to the 10 as 4x to the 10 times 5. We use the product property to separate them. 4x to the 10 times square root of 5. And square root of 4 is 2, and x to the 10 is x to the 5, because x to the 5, when you square, you will get x to the 10. And then we bring the square root of 5 down. Example number 6, we will break 80 as 8 times 10, and then 8 is 2, 10 is 2 and 5. Then 80 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. We also have 8 cubed, then we have 3 of the 8. Now we're looking for the group of 2 because we're working with the square. We have 2 of the 2, 2 of the 2, and 2 of the 8. So for the yellow highlight, we will combine all of them. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. And 2 of the 8 is 8 squared. Then we're left with the 5a. Then 16a squared will be in one group, and 5a will be one group. Now we separate 80a cubed as a 16a squared times 5a. Then we separate them. 16a squared times 5a separate with the square root. 16a squared is 4a when you take the square root, and the square root of 5a we copy down. Problem B. We have 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. M to the 4th is m, and m. And n to the 14, we have 14 of the n. Now we will highlight 3 of the same number or letter. Why 3? Because the index is 3. So we have 3 of the 3, 3 of the m, 3 of the n, we have more 3 of the n, we have more 3 of the n, we have more 3 of the n. So for the highlight, we got 27 m cubed, and n we count, we got 12 of them. So they will be in one group, and the other one we have 1 m left and n squared. So we separate the 20 m to the 4th and to the 14 as 27 m cubed and 12 times m n squared. And then we will separate them. 27 m cubed and 12 times square root of m n squared. Cube root of 27 is not square root but cube root. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of m cubed is m. Cube root of n 12 is 4, because n to the 4th When you cube, you will get 12. And then we will copy down the cube root of mn squared again.